the course of the last few months, we have built this R32 Nissan GTR from the ground up. We bought it as an empty shell that needed a lot of work. It needed paint, it needed body work, but it was really, really clean. It was a good example. And in this 10-minute video, we're gonna show you guys how we took this thing from this to this. Right here. Also, by the time you guys are watching this video, there is less than a day to get entered for a chance to win this thing or $40,000 in cash. This is the most work we've ever put into one of our giveaway cars, and I can't wait to see if somebody is gonna take home this thing and park it in their garage like this, or if they're gonna take the cash. Without further ado, let's get to building this car. You like it? Oh, yeah, we haven't even got to the great stuff yet. Check this out.
That thing's junk.
How far is it to Connecticut?
You can just drive here. You got plenty of time.
Then that's what I should do? 28 hours?
Come Monday.
All right, I'll see you there. We are here. We are at Tommy Efiaz's shop.
Yes, you are.
Welcome.
Why? So here it is. To stop over here locally in Connecticut and check out this harness. Those look great.
Fast, the paint fell off the roof.
This thing is good. Yep. We gotta clean it. Obviously it has some paint that's missing. I don't really know anything about this car or what happened to it before me other than I gave it the fix, but now we're gonna make this thing beautiful.
guys, that is it for this video. If you are stoked on this 10-minute build and you want to see some more builds and projects like this, subscribe, but only if you like build videos. I know we've done a lot of these 10-minute build videos and they are always super successful, but it takes a long time to get to the 10-minute build video. So if you want a 20-part series before you get to a 10-minute build video, hit that subscribe button. Appreciate you guys watching. See you later.